My spiritual self is the part of me that gives meaning and direction to my life. It helps me understand who I am beyond my physical body and daily responsibilities. Through prayer, reflection, or simply taking quiet, quiet moments and connect with my inner thoughts and emotions. This connection helps me stay calm, hopeful, and grounded, especially during difficult times. My spiritually also guides how I treat others, reminding me to show kindness, forgiveness, and compassion. It teaches me to appreciate life's blessing and trust that every experience happens for a reason. As I grow, my spiritual self continue to shape my values, strengthen my character, and lead me toward becoming a better, more peaceful, and more understanding person.